Hi guys, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Logarithm Part 5. Okay, if you haven't done the first 4 parts, please do so. This is the last rules for logarithms. We got 3 rules here. In Part 3, we talk about the production and quotient rule. In Part 4, we're talking about how to do the power rules. In here, we're going to do the change-based formula or change-based rules. Okay, what is change-based rule? Change-based rule is very simple and it's very useful as well. First things, don't talk about the change-based rule. Let's see your calculators. If you are not using a graphing calculator, if you are not using the very fancy calculators, you're looking for your calculators. You don't find a place you can do these things. So pretty much on the calculator, you only have log and ln, and that's it. You don't have the way, you don't have an option to enter these things. First things first, let's see how do we do that. Okay, so if you're trying to looking for log 3 to the power 1 equal to 4, you press on the calculator, you press this. You press ln 4 divided by ln 3, and then you will get exactly the same answer. It's the correct answer. Alright, let's see why is that. So this is an application of change-based formula. What change-based formulas? Logarithms AB. We can change to logarithms based off anything I want, anything to the power of b. Log must be same thing. Okay, these two must be same as a. I can make them anything I like. So I can make them log base of 2, log base of 3. As long as these two are same, I'm fine. Okay, so on the calculators, we're trying to calculate log 3, 4. And then we don't have that options. So what we do here, we're just using log base of e. Or if you like, you can log base of 10. Doesn't matter. Okay, log base of e, 4, divided by log base of same e, 3. Log base of e we know is a ln, right? It's a ln 4, so divided by ln 3. That's how you calculate these answers. Alright, so that is pretty much about the about the change-based formulas. Let's see some practice here. Okay, so we're gonna have log base of 5, 65. They asked you to evaluate 2 decimal places. So these things, again, as we said, we can use ln 65 divided by ln 6, and that's it. Okay, so I'm not going to do that using calculators. You can try it at your homes. It's exactly and very easy to do it. Same thing here, we're just making ln 2 over ln 6. It's simple, isn't it? Alright, so the next one is a little bit tricky here. We have different base. What we can do with different base? Then we used another extension of change-based formulas. The change-based formulas can do this. So log b to the power of x, just change to log b to any number I want to the same power, x to the same power as well. So I have log 2, 8. How much is this? Log to the power of 1 equal to 8? 3. So I can do this, log 2 to the power of 2 and then 8 to the power of 2. So that is how much? Log 4 to 64. We all know 4 to the power of 3 equal to 64. So it's still equal to 3. I didn't change anything. So I can apply the power, same power on both bottom and top. Okay, then we can use these rules to do these questions here. Logarithms 3, 3x, logarithm 9, 7x. Okay, I cannot do the 9x anymore because it's pretty big enough. But I can do this. Logarithms 3, 3x. Log, I can do 3 to the power of 2 and then 3x to the power of 2. It's just equal to log 9 and then 9x squared. Simple enough. And then we plus log 9, 7x. So now we have same base. we can apply our product rules. So be log 9x squared times 7x is 63x cubed. So they ask you to write each logarithm, write as a single logarithm simplified as possible. That is simplified enough. Make sense? Same thing, we can do this. We have 2, 4, and 6. So what do? We make log 2 equal to log 2 to the power of 4 log 5x to the power of 4 as well. In here, we say log 4 to the power of 2 log 3x to the power of 2. Why? I want to make sure the bottom are all equal to 16. So these things, we're going to have log 16 and then 5 to the power of 4 equal to 625 x fourths. And then these things will be equal to log 16. This is 3x to the power of 2 will be 9x squared. And then plus log 16, 9. Alright, so we have this. So what do we do here? We just, this one divided by this one times this one. So will be 625 x fourths divided by 9x squared, and then times 9 will be times 9 here. The 9 can cancel, 4 and then 2 can cancel, become 2 left. So the answer will be log base of 16, 625 x squared. That's it. Okay, so I know this is a lot of steps. If you are not following it, please pause the video and then look at it again. If you have any kind of questions, please leave me comments. I will answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.